Hello there. This lesson is about how to do a U-turn. Now, a U-turn can be done on a wide street. If this street was narrow, then it would be a 3-point turn. Now, for actually doing a U-turn, the idea is to have a street that's wide enough so you can just get all your turns in and go in the opposite direction. So here we go. So let's say I'm just pulling over because I need to do a U-turn. I'd have my right signal on, check my mirror, shoulder, and get as close to the curb or the side of the road as possible. Then signal to the left. And here you really have to check around, because if you don't check, when you try to turn, someone could smash into you. And I've seen that happen at least twice, where someone just driving, they did not stop, because I witnessed it. They did not stop completely. They just went like this and boom, and then bang, and the car got shoved all the way to the other side of the road. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to be safe here, because there's a car approaching. Okay, he's stopping behind me. So all I have to do now is get all my turns in. There's a car. See, if I'm not checking, when I go like this car would slam right into the side of my car. Okay, it's safe now. So we're gonna go all the way. There you go. And that's a U-turn. Okay, hope you picked up something there, because not too many people talk about U-turns. Now I'm actually going straight ahead, so I stopped before the white line, but I can't see too much to the right, so I inch up, and it's safe both ways. Now I step on it. Okay, left turn at the stop sign, behind the white line. Check. Safe there. Can't see too much to the right. Okay, it's safe. So hand over hand steering. Stop sign ahead with a white line, so I stop when I don't see the white line. Right there. Check. Left, right. Next street down. It's a right turn, so I signal right, check mirror and shoulder. Get it down to 20, 25. Hand over hand steering. And then I'm gone. Okay. This is just a short lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.